Little known facts about beef.
Brothers Bistro, hot bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.
We discovered something. There's a reason.
Wait, let me cut you off.
There's a reason for you to have beef.
There is.
Every night.
There's 3 reasons, actually.
Really?
Yeah. First is it helps you maintain muscle mass. In fact, with this big push with Ozempic and this weight loss drug, right? What they say is you gotta maintain your muscle mass. One of the ways you do that is
You eat more beef.
You know, yeah. You gotta eat more protein. You gotta ingest more protein.
More protein.
And beef is an excellent source of protein, right?
Yeah. So what do they say? They say it's 1 gram per pound, right? So if you're a 200-pound guy, 200 grams of protein a day is what you should be shooting for. And so if you're on some of these calorie-restrictive diets, you just got to be mindful that if you don't have enough protein, your body is going to pull it from the lean muscle mass, and that's what you don't want to lose.
Yeah.
You want to lose
With
the fat.
healthy weight loss, you're losing about 2/3 fat or body fat and 1/3 muscle mass.
Lean
right?
muscle mass.
So you are going to shed some, no matter what you're doing. If you're losing weight.
Right.
Yeah. Second thing, reason why is it's an excellent source of vitamins and minerals.
What kind of vitamins and minerals
Well,
does
let
it
me tell you,
have?
it's
That
got-
looks like it's got a lot of vitamins.
It's got B12, zinc,
Wow.
selenium. I don't know how you spell
Selenium?
Selenium, iron, niacin, and B6.
Wow. Okay. So it's
Right.
got the whole plethora.
Right. And the final thing is it's a super easy form of protein for your body to
Dense.
That's right. That's right.
You like your head?
Right.
Like your.
I can be a little dense. Yeah.
So
Don't
it's
like me. I
beef.
resemble my brother.
So beef, it's what's for dinner.
It is. Yes. Please.